This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chiplanders. Your own private heated and amp, screened pool. Southern Classic Custom 3-bed/2-bath/2-car garage and amp, 1,795 square feet of living. Gas cooking, water heater and amp, pool heat. Crown molding, 8 feet doors, chair rail. New luxe vinyl floors, quartz countertops, stainless appliances, 2015 air conditioner unit. Low HOA fees include lawn maintenance. Golf and amp, social memberships available. For more information, review the details below.